In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Elementor. Whether you're building a dynamic website or crafting a sleek landing page, integrating videos can significantly enhance user engagement. So, let's dive into this simple yet important task that can add great value to your site. First, you'll want to navigate to YouTube and select the video you'd like to embed. It's crucial that you choose a video that aligns perfectly with the content on your page. Once you have selected an appropriate video, look for the Share button, which is usually located below the video player. Click on it. This will bring up a set of options for sharing the video. Among these, you'll find an Embed option. Once you click on Embed, you'll notice a snippet of code appearing on your screen. This is the HTML code you'll need to use in Elementor. Next, copy the entire embed code, because that's what we'll paste into Elementor to successfully display the video on your site. But hold on just a moment. Before pasting it, we need to approach the next steps with care to ensure a seamless integration. Now, open your Elementor editor. Navigate to the page where you want the video to appear. It's important to have a clear vision of where the video will fit best for maximum impact, so take a moment to consider your layout options. Once you're ready, look for the section or widget where you plan to add the video. You'll want to find the Elementor Widget panel, located on the left side of your screen. In this panel, search for the HTML widget. Drag this widget to the desired placement on your page where you envision your video appearing. This HTML widget serves as a box where you can safely insert code. Within the HTML widget, paste the embed code you copied earlier from YouTube. Make sure the code remains intact, as it should fully resemble the snippet you initially copied. As you paste it into the HTML widget, you should see the video appear on your Elementor page. This preview ensures that everything is working as planned, so take a moment to check the video dimensions and overall appearance. Once you're satisfied with how the video looks, it's a good idea to preview your page. Use the Preview Changes option that Elementor provides to see how your content will appear to your users. This is an excellent time to adjust any margins or padding to ensure that everything lines up beautifully with your other design elements. Finally, if you're pleased with the placement and functionality, don't forget to hit the Publish or Update button to save your work. It's always a smart move to test the responsiveness of your page as well, making sure it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Congratulations! You've successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Elementor page. This powerful technique can greatly enhance the interactive quality of your website, keeping visitors engaged and returning for more. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding!